Hello and welcome. I'm glad you're here. Today we will be doing 5 minutes of box breathing. This is a technique that is easy to follow and helps the body to relax. Wherever you are today, use this practice as you feel comfortable to, and feel free to modify it to suit your situation. Before we begin, just notice how your body feels. Relax your shoulders, unclench your jaw and let your tongue fall from the roof of your mouth. Feel your body supported by the ground or chair beneath you. Is the air warm or cool on your skin? Place a hand on your heart and begin to become aware of your breathing. You can visualize box breathing using a square. Follow up the left side of the square as you breathe in for 4. Hold for 4 along the top. Breathe out for 4, through the mouth if you can, as we move down the right side. And hold for 4 along the bottom. Then we begin again. This practice is 5 minutes, but you can follow along for as long or as little as you feel comfortable. The 5 minutes will consist of 19 breaths. Okay, let's begin. You can now gently return to the present moment. Begin to notice the sensations in your body. Thank you for joining me, and I'm proud of you for showing up today. Have a peaceful rest of your day.